I'm Stefan Rink, CEO of AM Flow. As AM Flow, we provide automation solutions for 3D print factories. We automate all the process steps after the printer, like fully automated identifications of parts, quality control, part handling, transportation, and packing and bagging. What we focus on is specializing in dealing with the variety of 3D printed parts. What's different if you compare to other industries, that normally you have a standard product portfolio. What's special for 3D printing is that each and every part printed is completely different. And automating that workflow in a one-piece flow approach makes us special. We focus actually especially on those clients who print substantial volume on a daily basis. So what we see in the total industry is a shift from, let's say, producing millions of the same parts on a central location to distributed manufacturing, that you have hubs close by, let's say, bigger cities, where all the parts required for the population in that city is produced. We have already several customers in the Netherlands of our fully automated production lines. And on the other hand, we also have all our machines and our equipment built over here. So also our supply chain partners are all within this region and this ecosystem. What's the beauty of what we are trying to accomplish over here is actually the environmental impact, which doesn't require really large global logistics supply chains anymore. That's what we are accomplishing with what we are doing and contributing in that sense to reduced logistics of real parts.